Supply chain secrets no one talks about, but should. Behind every product on the shelf is a supply chain, but not the one you think you know. Today, we're exposing the real secrets, the ones no one talks about, but everyone in the industry should. Let's start with hidden costs. We're not just talking about shipping fees, think storage. Inefficiencies, overordering, supplier penalties, or even outdated tech draining. Companies don't track the cost of inaction, delays, returns, or bad forecasting. That's money slipping through cracks you didn't even know existed. You've got the data, but if your procurement team can't see what your warehouse team is doing, what's the point? Silos are one of the biggest silent killers in supply chain performance. Lack of real-time visibility leads to poor decisions, reactive planning, and missed opportunity. Relying on a single supplier or region, you're gambling with business continuity. Smart supply chains diversify and build contingency into procurement and sourcing, but many businesses only realize the risk when it's too late. Digital tools are only as good as the way you use them. Just buying a platform doesn't solve your problems. Without integration, proper training, or a strategy behind the tool, you're just adding another layer of confusion. Here's a truth bomb: technology won't save a broken culture. If your teams aren't aligned, if there's no accountability, no cross-functional collaboration, no system will fix that. The best supply chains thrive on shared ownership and transparency. Supply chains aren't just logistics, they're strategy. And the real power lies in uncovering what's broken before it breaks you. So, what secrets are hiding in your supply chain?